Hello, I'm Lida Sandera with Vista International Realty, and I would like to introduce you to my very special listing at 469 26th Street, Manhattan Beach. This very special property is there are no homes on the other side, so you have no cars driving by. It's a private cul-de-sac, green park-like street. Very unusual and 180-degree views. This is a living room on the top floor, which is also virtually staged to show how can be arranged furniture. This is from another side living room. This is again from another side the living room with all the views of the town. This is like the dining area open to the living room. This is the dining area open to the master bedroom on the third floor, breakfast area. It's a kitchen, very large kitchen. This is the master bedroom, master bath. This is another bedroom which is also used as a office. Here it is unfurnished. The property is two-story from the 26th place. This is a bedroom with closet. This is another part. This is the family room open to the decks and the private walk street. This is again the playroom, family room. And here it is virtually staged. The living room in the evening. This is a view of the special walk street. The property will be open first time on Friday, March 29, and open house Saturday, Sunday, 1 to 4. If you have any more questions, please give me a call and I will be happy to answer them.